Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Marshall Kilburn II Bluetooth wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If it is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or it's not syncing, or if it's otherwise not working, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step for your speaker. Just keep in mind, if you do this hard reset, all of the paired devices will be deleted and forgotten, and your speaker will be restored to its factory default settings. But if you're ready to do that, it's quite easy. All we need to do is make sure, first of all, that our speaker is on. And with our speaker turned on, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold the Bluetooth button on the left. And we'll have to hold this for 7 seconds. And after 7 seconds, the speaker will turn off, at which point it will be completely reset. So you can go ahead and remove it from any devices you'd had it previously paired with. And then when you turn on the speaker back on the next time, you can set it up like it's a new speaker.